Hello children, today we are going to see the appreciation and figures of speech used in the poem Children Are Going to School. So we will start with the appreciation. Now first of all, what do you mean by appreciation? Appreciation means the recognition and enjoyment of the good qualities of someone or something. Now here we are going to appreciate the good qualities of the poem Children Are Going to School. So to start with, Nida Fazli was a Hindi Urdu poet. 1938 2016 means he was born in the year 1938 and died in the year 2016. Who was a recipient of prestigious Sahitya Academy and Padma Shri awards in the field of literature. Now, what do you mean by recipient? Recipient means a person who is awarded something. Prestigious means having high status. Now, here Nida Fazli is awarded with some high status awards like Sahitya Academy and Padma Shri awards in the field of literature. Now, literature means written work, creative work. So, he is awarded for his creativity in writing. The poem Children Are Going to School is a translation of his poem in Hindi, Bacche School Ja Rahe Hai. The poem describes beautifully how nature welcomes children who are going to school. Elements of nature such as the sky, the sun, the breeze, etc. are personified. Personified means they are given the human quality, they are characterized, they are given the human characteristics, means they are representing the form of a person. That's why they are called personified. I like this poem because the elements of the nature are happy and blessing the school going children. My favorite line in the poem is the sky bows down his head in respect. Now, last paragraph, to beautify the poem, figures of speech like alliteration and personification are used. There is no particular rhyme scheme given to the poem. So, this is all about the appreciation of the poem. Children are going to school. Now, we will talk about figures of speech used to beautify the poem. Children, you have to open your textbook. Now, see, we'll start with the figures of speech. Now, figure of speech first for first line, we will see once again the sky bows his head in respect. Here, the figure of speech used is personification. Why? Because the sky is personified. Sky is given the human quality of bowing. The sky is personified and given the human quality of bowing. This is the explanation for the figure of speech. Next line, the sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road. Again, it is personification. Why? Because the sun is personified and given the human qualities of taking a dip in river, dressing, waiting, and smiling. Okay, sun is personified. That's why figure of speech used this personification. We'll move to next. Through the green top branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings. Here again, personification. Why? Because the human quality of singing is given to the breeze. Breeze is singing their songs of blessings. Next line. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. Here, children, in this line, there are three figures of speech. First, personification. Why? Because the human qualities of awakening and sleeping given to the roads. Next is alliteration, because the sound of fur. Now children see fragrant fur and flowers fur. So F sound is repeated for poetic effect. That's the alliteration. Last one is antithesis. Why? Because two opposite words awaken and sleepy are placed in a line for poetic effect. Opposite ideas. Awaken means not asleep and sleepy. Okay, that's why antithesis. We will move to next line. The people in his lush deep foliage waves his hand. Personification again, because the people tree is given the human quality of waving. We'll move to next. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Children, here figure of speech use this simile, because there is a comparison. The throbbing of mother's heart. Throbbing means the beating, we can say, a vibration with the rhythm. Vibration we can say, or beating we can say. The throbbing of mother's heart is compared with every particle of the earth. That's why it is simile, because there is a comparison. Last line. Time sitting on an old roof, flies pigeons in the sky. Personification, because time is given the human quality of sitting. So children, these were the figures of speech. You have to copy these all figures of speech in your copy neatly and properly. Okay, you have to write the complete line from textbook, write the figure of speech and its explanation. And children, one thing to be said, that no need to buy any color pens. Whichever is available in your home, that you can use, or you can use a blue and black pen or a pencil to highlight. No need to buy new color pens. Okay children, so complete appreciation and figure of speech neatly in your copy and try to learn the appreciation by heart. Okay, so till next period, next class, take care, bye bye.